father-in-law came down and helped us start on our barn. He helped us build some walls and put up a door. We did run out of time, but he's gonna come back and visit us hopefully in a couple weeks to finish up the rest of it. In the meantime, till he visits us again, we can add a hardwire cloth apron to protect against predators. We can also add roosts in here and nesting boxes, and potentially build our livestock stalls for sheep in the future. So little by little, we'll build up our farm until it turns into something quite amazing.